In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a professional invoice in Zoho Books in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account. From the left navigation bar, click on the Sales module and select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page where you manage all billing tasks. Next, click the plus new button at the top right to open a new invoice form. Start by selecting your customer from the database or add a new customer if needed. Zoho Books automatically generates an invoice number, but you can customize it if you like. Enter an order number if relevant, then set the invoice date and due date to match your payment terms. You can also add salesperson info to streamline communication. Now fill in the item table, list the products or services, add quantity and rate, and apply any taxes or discounts. Include shipping charges or other adjustments if needed, and add customer notes for extra clarity. Don't forget to attach any relevant documents like purchase orders or contracts and specify your terms and conditions. Once everything is complete, save and send your invoice to the customer. And that's it. You've just created a professional invoice in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more quick Zoho Books tips.